If you're slaughtering your own lamb, then you really do have to wash your meat, because then we're going to turn this into the most juiciest and tender lamb shanks you've ever had. If I had to choose my favorite protein, it would have to be lamb. Once you washed off the dirt and hair, season with salt, ground cumin and coriander, and chili powder. Grab a pot on medium heat with some oil and clarified butter, and then get some color on your lamb. Discard everything from the pot and then add new oil along with onions, ginger, turmeric and garlic paste, and vegetable stock. Add your lamb back into the mix and cook it on medium heat. In a separate pot of water, add washed basmati rice, cumin seeds, and salt. Cook the rice on high heat until al dente, drain it, add oil, followed by one layer of rice, fava beans, dried dill, and saffron. Keep repeating until you're at the top, and then cover and steam this on low heat for about 5 minutes, and the rice should be super fluffy. Your lamb should be cooking for at least an hour. Check up on it from time to time to make sure it's super tender. Make a slurry with cornstarch and milk and mix. Dip your lamb back for some more flavor, and now you can plate. Start off with your rice, a big piece of your lamb shank, followed by more of that broth, and enjoy.